right? Everything that you do with your body, with your mind, with your words will give you a result. That is the law of action, the law of karma. So the little things that you do every day, little good things, right, wholesome things, will give you a good result. So if you keep on doing these little good things every day, your life will be filled with merits. So that is why our great teacher Supreme Buddha taught us to not to think about your merits lightly. In life, always little things matters. Same goes with the demerits. Supreme Buddha said, do not think lightly about the demerits. So there are so many evil things, little things that we do in our day, but we don't give much concern to those little evil things, little bad things. Remember, those little bad things will get together, it will adds up into your life, and it will make your life evil. So do not think lightly about the merits as well as the demerits.